everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Aileen. I am 9 years old and this is my brother
Ian. I'm 7 years old.
Today we'll be showing you how to do easy breakfast recipes. But before we start,
Safety first! Bam!
never turn on a stove without adult supervision.
Don't forget it can cause fires.
Like this.
So never, ever, ever turn on the stove without adult supervision.
Let's get
cooking!
Before we get started, make sure you wash your hands and you have an adult supervising you because we're going to need to blend all of the ingredients together.
It might make an explosion. I like that. Okay, first you're going to need 2 eggs.
2 eggs, 2 bananas.
You're going to need 2.5 cups of oats.
Baking powder.
Soda, and
Your
vanilla
vanilla.
extract blend. Okay,
Let's
get started. Carded or started?
I want to put the oats.
Yeah, I want to put that.
Ready,
No,
steady.
This one.
Oh,
Oh!
okay, that's all.
Wait, there's still more.
Wait, I'm going to put the baking soda.
That means I get to put my...
I'm gonna put that in there. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Make sure
that's
no
perfect.
white stuff goes in your egg. Oh, there's some white right there in the corner.
Oh yeah, look at you. Thank you. There.
Okay, there we go.
The banana peel has eggs on it.
Thank you.
Banana. Wash your hands because you're gonna want to touch that soap.
I kind of want to eat the banana. Come on, banana, get in
Can
there.
I get some help with this?
Boom. Okay. Now all we need is vanilla. There you go.
Thank you.
Boop.
Oh! Oh!
You poured it on me!
Safety first.
Safety food!
Okay, wash your hands, Aileen. So you guys ready for me to help you?
Yeah. Okay, guys.
This
This
is
is done. Our mom blended it for us. So sorry, sister. I try to give you extra flavoring.
it's okay. Okay.
So
Okay. Butter and make sure your parents turn on the stove for you because you don't want to explode something.
safety first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get started. Wait, let me get butter.
Now it's in butter explosion.
Ooh, it's a dinosaur.
I didn't use
That's enough. Thanks.
use the butter again.
Oh, we need the flippy thingy.
Oh yeah, I want the flip flop. Flip flop. Flip floppy. I missed you.
Wait, let me put this over here that you won't drop it. Okay. Wait. And flip. Oh, those look good. They smell amazing.
Can't wait to try them.
Me too.
We're not gonna let you get some.
And they were you. You idea, so. Yes, you do get some.
Thank you.
Your pancakes, they're delicious.
So make sure you subscribe and give us a big thumbs up and ring the bell. Ding!
Yummy.
Delicious.
Bye. See you
Bye.
guys next time. This is how you spread the oatmeal mix around the pan. You have have to make sure you get it all where the butter was, or else it won't cook.